Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experiences. In this video, we're diving into the world of small business credit scores, specifically using the resources available at nav.com. This website, found at https://www.nav.com/small-business/credit-scores, offers a wealth of information for entrepreneurs looking to understand and improve their business credit. Navigating the complexities of business credit can be challenging, and NAV aims to simplify the process by providing valuable tools and insights. They cover a range of topics, from understanding the different types of business credit scores to strategies for building and maintaining a healthy credit profile. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned business owner, understanding your credit score is crucial for accessing financing and other opportunities. NAV breaks down the often confusing aspects of business credit, explaining how it differs from personal credit and why it's so important for your company's financial health. They delve into the factors that influence your business credit score, giving you actionable steps to improve your standing. The site also explores the various ways businesses can use their credit scores to their advantage, from securing loans to negotiating better terms with suppliers. Moreover, NAV offers resources and guidance on monitoring your business credit, helping you stay informed and proactive in managing your financial reputation. For anyone looking to gain a better grasp on business credit and how it impacts their business's growth potential, exploring the resources at nav.com is a great place to start. They provide clear explanations, practical advice, and tools that can empower you to take control of your business credit journey. Don't let the complexities of business credit hold you back. Take advantage of the information available at NAV and build a stronger financial future for your business. They offer various levels of service, so you can choose the option that best suits your needs and budget. So, head over to nav.com and start exploring the world of small business credit today.